Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going for a little walk around Limekiln. We've got a little local woodland. Tend to see deer quite often, and there's a few like sort of ponds and natural waters that I want to just sit at, just see what wildlife's about. So I'll catch you there soon. Hi guys, welcome back. So I've just got to one of the patches of water that I was on about. Oh my god. It's quite cool. I've been here a couple of times and never really seen a great deal. It's always been more sort of winter time that I've come up here though. But yeah, it's been a glorious day. There is absolute tons. I don't know if you can see him, but there is a dragonfly, damselfly thing just buzzing around like mad. So he's been going now for 20 minutes in circles. So I've tried to get a photo with him. I've not had much luck. You probably can't see one on them reeds sticking up, but there is one on there. I've had a cool photo of him, and there's a few smaller ones over my shoulder. Camera saying they're going to pick them up, but again I've got some cool photos of them. So it's not been a complete waste. But yeah, I'd like to get that big guy that's buzzing around the pond. Quite similar to the one that I got at Chirk Castle a few years ago now. But yeah, I'm just going to walk. The massive one should come straight over my head. I'm going to do a little time lapse. Not much movement in the clouds, but I'll probably be sat here for a while, so hopefully that turns out pretty cool. So I'll catch you again in a bit. Well, thanks for joining me on today's adventure. I'm going to head home now. Getting a bit hungry and my face is starting to burn. But hopefully I'll be out again soon. Might try to do a wild camp one of the days. So yeah, you can join me on that. Yeah, anything else you'd like to view, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe. Might do a day out on the bikes with me and Jade, if that's something you're interested in. Cool, see you in the next one.